This award is for someone who has elevated a religious function beyond the realm of faith and culture to a profound collective experience. He has reimagined the idol of the goddess Durga as an idea, inviting reflection, inquiry, and dialogue. His Durga Puja pandals are creations where art, philosophy, and public life converge, some of them begging you to pause and question. The winner is Partha Dasgupta.
A painter and ceramic artist based in Kolkata, Mr. Dasgupta holds a BVA from Government Art College and an MFA in ceramics from Vishwabharati University, Shantiniketan. His practice spans paintings, ceramics, installations, and space design.
I found ceramic, it is like a bridge between painting and sculpture. One have to know painting, one have to know sculpture. Then he can know ceramic better.
Over the years, Mr. Dasgupta has reimagined Kolkata's Durga Puja pandals, traditionally spaces of devotion and festivity, as immersive installations that invite reflection, dialogue, and community participation. Through collaborative projects, experimental ceramic forms, 3D street interventions, and large-scale public works, Mr. Dasgupta has expanded the language of public art beyond gallery walls.
Actually, Durga Puja was celebrated in the households preliminarily. Thereafter, people like us who got some institutional training, while we got out from the institutions, I found that how unsafe I am. Thereafter, I am looking for somewhere where the crowd is, where the mass is. And then I try to add something with the tradition. So Durga Puja now becomes, for me, some addition to the tradition.
Partha Dasgupta has participated in major art events, exhibited internationally, collaborated with artists from the United States, and attended art camps in Bahrain and Korea. His work has been supported by research fellowships and grants from the Ministry of Culture and the Lalit Kala Akademi. By bridging ritual, philosophy, and contemporary art practice, he has helped redefine how millions experience creativity during Durga Puja, bringing art closer to everyday life. Partha Dasgupta wins NDTV Masterstroke Art Award 2026 for Public Art Installation of the Year.